welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. So, as you can see, this is not going to be a normal video for me, my channel, just in general. Usually we are so upbeat and positive and doing unboxings and fun stuff, and that's not the case today. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about, as you can see, Universal Yums and why they will no longer be on my channel. And it's a little disheartening, to be honest. So first, I do want to say welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We generally do lots of fun unboxings, product reviews, makeup hauls, live streams, giveaways. So it's always a great time here. This is an exception. But I just wanted to kind of let you guys know because I have enjoyed unboxing Universal Yums on my channel almost since the beginning. I think it was probably the second or third subscription I subscribed to once I started my channel. And that was back in June. I think June of 2018 is the first time I unboxed Universal Yums. So pushing a year and a half that I have been paying and promoting their box for them. And I'm not going to do it any longer. And it's, like I said, it is disheartening because I really enjoyed the subscription. I thought it was fun, unique. It was always great to find and try different snacks from different countries. I thoroughly enjoyed that. However, and the other part, one of my favorite parts, and if you've been following me, you know, one of my favorite parts, and I really do, I'm going to miss this, was when we would get the box, the first thing I would do would be read the back of the little pamphlet to read the clue for the next month, and I would try and figure it out and have you guys leave comments with your guesses down below. That was something that was always fun. But again, it's not going to be coming to the channel anymore. September's unboxing was the last one that will be on my channel. Again, because something happened with Universal Yums, and for a lack of a better way to explain it, it left a bad taste in my mouth. So, if you were not aware, Universal Yums has a referral program. And obviously I put my referral link down in the description because it not only benefits me as far as getting credit for the referrals, but it benefits you guys. It would give you $5 off your first box. So it was a win-win, you know what I mean? You guys, if you wanted to sign up, you would save $5, and then I got $5 in credit towards my account. Well, I noticed that I had some credit and it disappeared, and I'm like, well, what's going on? So I emailed Universal Yum, their customer service, and I got a response, and it wasn't necessarily unfriendly or rude. It was just very matter of fact and almost robotic, if you will. But I mean, I know it was a person, and she basically just told me that I violated the terms of their referral program, so I was no longer going to be able to, they were no longer going to honor the referral program for me. I was confused. So after reading the email, I went to their website, and y'all, it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to find what she was referring to, because if you just click on the referral area, it says nothing. It literally says that, you know, you refer a friend, they get $5 off their first box, you get $5 in credit. Well, it had no stipulations or anything on that page whatsoever. But if you search and search and search, and I honestly don't even remember how I found it. Literally, I was like clicking about us, contact us, our story, like all these different things, trying to find what she was talking about. And like I said, I did finally, after about 15 or 20 minutes, find where it explained that the referral program was for, you know, your family and your friends, and you could put it on your personal social media, things like that. And I'm thinking, well, my YouTube channel is my personal social media. I realize, yes, that it does, you know, extend to a much larger audience than, you know, say my personal Facebook page or something. However, what upsets me and is disheartening as a business perspective, I obviously brought you many, many customers. You know what I mean? So basically, because I had too many referrals, they weren't going to honor the referrals for me anymore. That just doesn't make sense. Like, I'm bringing you too much business. I'm sharing your subscription for free because, you know, I was paying for the box. Yeah, I did have referral credit, so there were 1 or 2 months that I didn't have to pay for it. But other than that, you know, usually I would pay, you know, maybe $5, $10, depending on the number of referrals. But either way, it wasn't sponsored. I chose to share your subscription and promote it. And then you penalize me as a regular customer? I don't know. It just, excuse me. I don't know. It was just, really? You know what I mean? Like, and you penalized me because I brought you too many customers. That's backwards. I mean, if you guys think that I'm wrong in this, let me know down below, because like I said, it's been bothering me because I did enjoy that subscription so much. I enjoyed sharing it with you guys, and especially, like I said, when I would read the clue for the next country for the following month, and you guys would leave your guesses down below. That was so much fun. But apparently, a lot of you enjoyed my unboxings, so you signed up, and, you know, which is what it was for. I mean, that's what I put the referral link for, was so, you know, you guys could sign up and save $5. But then, because apparently however many people signed up, it was too many. I sent them too many people. Why would you penalize somebody for sending you too many customers? That's my thing. I don't know. I don't want to talk negatively about them as a company, because prior to that, I'd never had an inkling of any issue with Universal Yums whatsoever. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because like I said, it has really bothered me. And like I said, I wanted to come on and I wanted to share with you guys why that will no longer be on my channel, and get your input. I mean, do you think as a business, it was a smart move to, in a way, penalize me, and not continue offering me referral credit if I send other customers to you? I just find it baffling. I mean, FabFitFun does not limit the number of, you know, people that you can refer. Ipsy doesn't limit. BoxyCharm doesn't limit. There's no limit on other companies that, you know, have referral links and things like that. And I don't know. I sent you too many people, so I guess that's my thing, is it's just, from a business standpoint, you're going to penalize me for sending you too many people? I don't know. I just don't get it. But that's me. That was my little rant, I guess. And again, I apologize, because I know this is not normally what, you know, we do here on this channel, but I did want to explain to you guys why that would no longer be here on my channel. Because again, I did have that engagement with you guys of what country do you think it'll be next month and all of that. So I know a lot of you did obviously subscribe to Universal Yums as well from the unboxings. So I just wanted to explain why you'll no longer see that on my channel, and also get your input. I mean, what do you guys think? You know, I mean, I don't know. Just let me know what you think down below. I hope you have a fantastic day. And I mean, I'm going to miss Universal Yums because I did enjoy it very much, but it is what it is. So I hope again that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.